Alright, welcome to the Collapse Experiment. If you haven't already, like and subscribe. I hate doing that shilling stuff, but here we are. And if you haven't already, mine came in the mail. And again, you don't have to have actual potassium iodine. You can actually get the liquid stuff and rub it on your arm in case there is a certain type of event that might happen. But it is still available on Amazon. I do believe this variety is still on there. No, I don't get paid for this. I'm just trying to help. And actually, this didn't even come from Amazon, so I think it's an actual company that just posts their stuff on there to make a little extra money. So anyways, the news. Well, let's see here. In boring stuff, the Fed is to raise interest rates. Okay. How does that affect you? Oh, you know, that $30 trillion in national debt means that you and I, and not the people who racked up that credit card, are responsible for more in the end. Yay. It's kind of like being married to someone who has a problem with accruing debt. And you're just wondering, when is this fun ride going to end? Because you know they're not going to pay it. Meanwhile, in China, Beijing rescued their stock market. It's funny how quickly a communist government can work compared to, I don't know, our democratic republic that takes forever to make sure you get a $600 check, but can spend a couple billion on foreign aid in, a snap. Nickel trade is still halted. And what's funny about that is they keep saying it's a system error. But it's been halted ever since the price of nickel tripled in, 3 days? That had a lot to do with the war, had a lot to do with somebody somewhere pushing this whole electric car agenda. Nickel is a key component in batteries, therefore it's, I don't know, could it become more valuable than gold? I don't know. But there's a very real possibility that nickel could actually replace a lot of our precious metals just because of its use. Saudi Arabia, this is a biggie. Saudi Arabia is looking at trading oil for the Chinese yuan. Now, ever since OPEC was created and we created the petrol dollar, Saudi Arabia has only traded in our currency. And now that they're looking at alternative sources of income and using other forms of currency, just makes your dollar worth less than it already is. Yay! More stuff to look forward to. If $4 a gallon gas wasn't bad enough, if $15 for 2 steaks wasn't bad enough, yeah, go Saudi Arabia. Seems like they're just not cutting off the right heads over there. Let's see here. NATO. They're proceeding with a military drill, training exercise. 30,000 troops are deployed. We have, I forget how many boats out there as part of this drill. And I think it's very important to remember that a lot of wars were started during training drills. Like, 9/11, there was a training drill going on for hijacked airliners on a day that we had 4 hijacked airliners. I also believe Gulf of Tonkin, that was a training drill that went wrong. allegedly. And yeah, I think we should all keep an eye on this training drill that's happening over in Europe right now, because all it takes is one screw up, and next you know, Russia's blowing something up, or we're blowing up something that Russia has, and it just that's that's where I think we're heading. Who knows? Maybe during the training drill we accidentally have a biological weapon escape from a lab. Haven't seen that before. Anytime recently at all. Never. Who remembers COVID? Oh, the Chinese do. COVID cases. COVID closes China again. They keep having these record numbers of outbreaks in China. Now all of a sudden they're completely closed, which people are fearing that we're going to have more supply chain issues, as if we don't already have issues with that. You know, that problem that never got solved, that Biden was going to, yo, there's a problem, I'll solve it. What were we, you know, the thing. So, yeah. China closes again. That's about it. I've got a full day ahead of me. And in the meantime, take care of yourselves. Keep on typing.